Hi guys, today's video is another quick breakfast recipe. It also can be made ahead of time. This is how I make my breakfast casserole. So I made mine up last night and put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm just popping it in the oven this morning. But you could go ahead and get this ready. Don't cook the egg part of it like in the oven. Just cook your sausage and your onions, peppers, all of that stuff. Throw it together, and then you can actually, as long as you sit it flat, freeze everything with those eggs raw. Pull it out the night before you're going to fix it and let those eggs thaw out, and then throw it in the oven also. That is another option. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you try it, please let me know down in the comments below and let me know what all you put in yours. As always, thank you so much for watching, and here is the recipe. We're going to start by cooking 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Once it is browned in the pan, you're going to add in 1 bell pepper chopped up, half of a red or yellow onion chopped up. I threw in a few little cherry tomatoes chopped up and just cooked them until they were softened. Here in the bowl I have 6 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk that I have scrambled together. In the back there is my shredded Colby Jack cheese. I have my smallest casserole dish greased and ready to go. So once your sausage and everything is cooled, you're going to throw them in the pan, pour the eggs over, and sprinkle with cheese, and you are finished. This is like the easiest breakfast recipe ever. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. It will be nice and browned on top. Make sure your egg is cooked all the way through and not jiggly. And you are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you try this recipe, let me know. Give it a like and a big thumbs up, and we will see you all in the next video.